guess what has happened? Guess what has happened? People started looking at us and saying, oh, did you have an arranged marriage, by the way? And they look at you and it's like, oh, my mother just came to me and plonked this person in front of me and said, that's your wife. Thank you, Mom. I love you, my darling. That's not how it worked. Not at all. But that's what they think has happened, right? When you say arranged marriage, it could mean 10 different things. What do you mean by that? If you mean that someone came and plonked another person in front of me and said, take. No, that's not what happened. If that was the case, it's wrong. But arranged introductions, that's something that Islam teaches and recommends, and that's the original and proper way of doing things. An arranged introduction. So what would happen?